Goddess Ganga was first mentioned in the Rigveda texts and has her appearances in the Mahabharata, Ramayana, and the Puranas. She is considered a personification of purity and forgiveness. She is a delightful woman who is known to be riding a Makara. She is the embodiment of River Ganga, which is considered to purify your soul and destroy all the sins one commits in a lifetime. There are plenty of stories to tell of Goddess Ganga, one of which is very crucial and comes to notice in the Mahabharata. King Shantanu fell in love with Goddess Ganga and asked her to marry him. She accepted his proposal, only at one condition. He would never question any of her actions or ask her any questions. King Shantanu agreed and they got married. They were living happily until one day Ganga bore a child, and as soon as the child was born, she drowned him in the river. King Shantanu was shocked and sad, but did not question her, remembering his promise. This kept on repeating over time. One after the other, Ganga drowned the newborn babies. People started speaking about this act, and one day one of King Shantanu's soldiers asked him to confront her. Tired and sorrowful of his son's deaths, King Shantanu decided to ask Ganga the reason for committing such a crime. This day happened to be the day his 8th son was born, Devvrat. Shantanu refused for Devvrat to meet the same fate as his brothers. Ganga became furious and decided to end her sansara with King Shantanu. What was the reason behind this? Let's understand from a story. The 8 Vasus, while wandering in a forest, came across the desire-fulfilling cow, Kamadhenu, and decided to steal her. To their dismay, the owner of the cow, Sage Vasisht, came to know of their crime and gave them a curse to be born as mortals on earth. The Vasus pleaded to Sage Vasisht, to which Sage Vasisht said that the 7 Vasus would be free of their mortal forms within a year of birth, and only Prabhasa would pay the full penalty, as he was the one who stole the cow. Prabhas, who happens to be the 8th son of Ganga and King Shantanu, goes on to live and experience all the happiness and sorrows that the mortal world has to offer. Ganga in the epic of Ramayana is described as the firstborn of the king of Himalayas, Himavat, and is considered to be the sister of goddess Parvati. Ganga was ordered by Brahma to go on earth and fulfill her duties. She finds it very insulting and decides to destroy the earth while falling from heaven. Bhagirath requests Lord Shiva to calm her down. Ganga falls onto Shiva's head and Shiva traps her in his jatas, his locks, securely. He manages to calm her down and she understands her purpose. Ganga creates her route to be present in heaven, earth, and hell. She is also known as Jahnavi. It is often believed that Ganga will completely dry up by the end of Kali Yuga, which happens to be the last cycle of human life on earth, before everything is restored again in the Satyuga. Ganga is considered to be a purification source for many pilgrims.